pretty cold, right? All right.
My undergrad background was not in education, and I really wanted to jump into education. Why don't you start with getting that extra card?
The VCU RTR program. It is, in my opinion, one of the best teacher preparation programs out there.
We offer a paid residency program with a livable wage and then also full benefits, and your tuition fully paid.
The students receive on-the-job training while they're getting their education through VCU.
RTR popped up, and it was really aimed at people who didn't have that background in education, and it offered them the chance to get right into the classroom and have that experience firsthand.
The fact that I had the ability to do RTR and with VCU, it was actually a great opportunity for me because yes, my schooling is for free and I do have the hands-on with my mentor, which is awesome.
I was with the teacher all year, from the very first day of school to the last day, and I got all that experience, which was great.
So this really puts them in the hot seat, if you will, and really gets them ready and prepared. And when my teachers come in, when I have an RTR and I hire them to become a full-time teacher the next year, I don't treat them like a first-year teacher. I treat them like they're a second-year teacher because they've already had the first year.
The good thing about it is that I already know what to expect because I've already done it. It's my second year. So I know the first week of school what to expect.
When someone is in the classroom with me and we are teaching together, that resident is getting firsthand knowledge and experience.
So being able to do everything and the ability to go back to school has been very big for me because my dream has always become a teacher.
If you have that little voice in the back of your head that you've always wanted to be a teacher, this is the program for you.